Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Grayson Valley local and long-distance movers near me. Are you ready to find and hire the best cheap Grayson Valley moving company? Look no further than 3 Movers. We provide the best services for all your local and long-distance moving needs. When you choose to hire us, you get a team of professional movers to make things so much easier for you. Our moving team will make your long-distance move easier with packing services. Avoid packing and unpacking by hiring us to do it for you. Moving supplies. Get the highest quality packing materials and moving supplies from us. An on-time move. Don't worry about delays or a cancellation when you hire our on-time movers. Upfront pricing. Get a free, transparent moving estimate before you hire us. Licensed and insured. Let go of the worry knowing you can trust our licensed and insured movers with your things. Relocating one state over or across the country is a huge deal. It takes a ton of time and energy. However, when you hire us, we can help save you time and energy on your move. While we cannot help you settle into your new home, job, and city, we can help you with the actual moving process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Grayson Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.